Welcome back. And today's video we're gonna is read camera, because I have it. Okay, so today we're gonna read. I was about to say we're gonna marry. Okay. So today's book we are gonna read is Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. So let's get started. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I control stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I control be near you. Then control be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Achoo! Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. 2. Goodbye, Gerald. Ah. There you go. Huh? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piglet is a pig. Piglet is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now pigs. Oh my gosh. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thread. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piglet, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Oh, shucks. And that's all. Well, that was end of this story, Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Williams. And it was a long time that I didn't film, but before this video ends, subscribe, like, share, and press the notifications. And see you on the next video. Bye. Woo!